What's the meaning of civil service? Civil service. Civil service.
Civil service. Civil service. Civil service refers to the branch of government responsible for performing public duties and services. It typically includes administrative, legislative, and judicial agencies and departments, as well as the employees who work within them. The aim of civil service is to provide efficient and effective services to citizens, ensure transparency and accountability in governance, and uphold the rule of law. Through their work, civil servants can help shape public policy, improve public services, and promote the common good.